Hello friends, I am Saurabh Arjaria and you are watching my YouTube channel Desi Pharma Tutorial. In the last video, I will discuss about inflammation part 1, in which I will discuss definition of inflammation, clinical sign of inflammation and classification of inflammation. Today, we will discuss about pathogenesis of acute inflammation. Let's see, we are start pathogenesis of acute inflammation. If you remember, yesterday I was discuss type of inflammation, in which these have two type of inflammation. One, acute inflammation, second, chronic inflammation. Today we will discuss pathogenesis of acute inflammation. Pathogenesis of acute inflammation can be explained by two events. First is vascular event and second is cellular event. Vascular event. Due to the tissue injury, histamine, prostaglandin, kinin, leukotrienes and other chemical mediator are released for the local effect. These chemical mediator produce immediate vasoconstriction which may persist for 3 to 5 seconds or last for 5 minutes depending on the severity of injury. This phase is known as transient vasoconstriction. Next, after this phase, arterioles get dilate. It is known as persistent progressive vasodilation. This kind of vasodilation increase the volume of blood flow into the capillary and produce redness and heat due to the vascular expansion. So, fluid in the capillary move into the tissue and this migrated fluid is known as transudate. If the volume of blood may rise more and permeability of capillary further increase, that time capillary protein also migrate with the fluid into the tissue known as exudate. Now, the intravascular osmotic pressure get sorry now intravascular osmotic pressure get decrease and osmotic pressure of the interstitial fluid get increase due to the migration of protein from capillary to tissue. So, it causes outflow of water and ion into the extravascular and it get accumulate into the extravascular and produce edema. Next, cellular event. cellular event of the inflammation is described by two processes. First process is leukocyte movement process. Due to the tissue injury, produce persistent progressive vasodilation. Due to the vasodilation, volume of blood flow get increase due to the increase of permeability. Increased volume of blood flow contain WBC and RBC, but because of plasma or fluid part of the blood migration from the capillary to tissue, their viscosity get increase in the blood. So the blood flow get decrease due to the increased viscosity. Because of that reason, leukocyte of white blood cell roll on the endothelium cell of blood capillary. Leukocyte on their surface consist integrin protein molecules, and blood capillary on that surface consist selectin protein. During the rolling time, integrin and selectin get activate and produce adhesion of leukocyte on endothelial cell of capillary. Then after leukocyte get migrate from capillary to extravascular space known as immigration. Immigration leukocyte get attract toward the injured part. Because of the injury release several mediator known as chemotaxins. These chemotaxins are histamine, leukotrienes, platelets, platelet activating factor, prostaglandin, cytokines, etc. These attraction process of leukocyte toward the injury is known as chemotaxis process. Next part of cellular event is phagocytosis. Phagocytosis means engulfment of solid particle or agent, means cell eating. The process performed by agent is known as phagocytosis. This process involves the various steps. First step is identification and attachment. At the site of injury, several chemotactic factors get released from the infected bacteria. It attracts the phagocytic cell. It identify or recognize the microorganism at the site of injury and code the microorganism by opsonine protein, which are naturally occurring substance from the serum and give help for the attachment of phagocytosis to microorganism. Second, engulfment. Now the phagocytosis is ready to engulf the microorganism. Third is degranulation. After the engulfment, phagocyte release the lysosome, the degrading enzyme. Next is digestion or degradation. These degrading enzymes kill the microorganism and digest it. However, these mechanisms get fill the kill bacteria like Mycobacterium tuberculosis. थैंक यू। यदि आप सभी यह वीडियो हिंदी में पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो कृपया कर कमेंट करके हमें बताएं। जितनी जल्दी से जल्दी पॉसिबल हो सकेगा हम आपको यह वीडियो हिंदी में भी प्रोवाइड कर सकेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।